This is how I do my cooked food for my bird. Today I'm going to be using Sweet Bean by Birdzone. It's got a blend of beans, which my bird likes, which is a green cheek conure. It's got dried fruit and vegetables and grains and nuts and a whole variety of things that she likes occasionally to break up her diet. And to make, you just bring part food and 2 parts water to boil in a small saucepan. Reduce the heat and simmer for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Remove from heat, cover and allow to cool. Okay, so it's got rice as well in it, so it's a whole group of things. So 1 cup in the saucepan, 2 cups of boiling water, 1 cup of water, second cup of boiling water, and then put it on the boil for 5 to 6 minutes. 6 minutes. I've got a very temperamental oven. There we go. So now that will boil for 6 minutes. Okay, now that's been cooking for 6 minutes. Now put it through a sieve, drain off excess water. You could hear Boo before in the background. I think that was a protest that she wasn't being involved in what was going on. She's decided to quieten down now. Let's get out that excess water.